Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable passwordless sign-in only in your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now I'll explain this. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the accounts tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down, click on sign in options, scroll down, there's an option which says for improved security only allow Windows Hello sign in for Microsoft accounts on this device recommended. Now here's what it does. It totally disables password sign in. What is a password? A password according to Microsoft in this case is a key that can be used for cloud entities. Okay, so it is attached to the cloud, and if it is attached to the cloud it can be hacked. But the thing with your PIN is that to access your PIN, a person literally needs access to your computer and access to your mind, because there's nowhere where you would be saving the PIN while the password is saved at many locations. So if you want to improve the security, just disable password sign in here and stick to PIN. But if you want password options to appear, simply disable it. Now we'll have both options for Windows Hello and password both. Okay, so it's not that it removes the pin option to make things easier, but it adds all the password. However, I'll tell you something, that would be a very useless thing. I'll tell you why. Because this would mean that you're only using the PIN or biometric security for easily logging into your system. But if easy login to your system was at the compromise of security, then what was the whole point behind it? So I usually keep it enabled. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.